Hello student. Yesterday I taught you that how to solve an equation. Now today we learn how to solve word problems. Okay. We already known how to solve that one. You learn in previous class in 7th standard. Okay. Now to solve that word problems, most important is that when you compare two numbers means two values, that time always you guess for variable means take variable for small numbers. And suppose age of two persons are given, that time always you take variable for younger person. Okay. So let we start exercise 2.2. in that first one, if you subtract 1.1 half from a number and multiply the result by 1 half, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? Okay. So first one, exercise 2.2. in that first one, if you subtract 1 half from a number, unknown number is there, so what to do? You just guess a number. Suppose that number is x, that is x. Okay. Now subtract 1 half, subtract 1 half from a number means x minus 1 half. Okay. Then multiply the result by 1 half, so our result is 1 upon x minus 1 upon 1 half, and multiply that one means result, so here multiply into, and our answer is 1 upon 8. Now what to do? Look, 1 upon 2 multiple is there, change the side, so x minus 2 equal to 1 upon 2. Now here 1 is in multiple form and 2 is in division form, so division multiply and multiply convert into division. That means here reciprocal rational number is there, and if you change the side of rational number, what to do? Just write down reciprocal of that number. So 2 4s are, so x means x upon 1 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 4. Now change the side of 1 upon 2, so x equal to 1 upon 4, minus 1 half is there, we change the side, so minus convert into plus, so x equal, now take LCM 4 and 2. What is the LCM? That is 4, we know that. Okay, so 4 1s are and 2 2s are, 1 1s are 1 plus 2 1s are 2, so x equal to 3 upon 4, 2 and 1 3. Okay, so that number is, what is the number? The number is 3 upon 4. So easy. Okay. Number 2, question number 2. Look, the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, here comparison of length with breadth is there. So what to do? We just take variable for breadth. Suppose breadth of swimming pool equal to x meter. Okay, so length of swimming pool equal to, that is 2 meter more, more means plus 2. Okay, more means plus 2, 2 meter more than twice of this one. Okay, twice of this one. Twice means double. So that is 2x. So length equal to 2x plus 2 meter. Okay. And perimeter is given. So that is rectangular. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into bracket L plus B. You know that. And perimeter is given. What is the perimeter? 154 meter. So 154 equal to 2 into bracket L. L means length. What is the length? That is 2x plus 2 plus breadth. Breadth equal to x. Okay. So 2 is multiple form. We change the side. 154 divided by 2 equal to, now simplify that one, 2x plus 1x, that is 3x plus 2. Division 77. Okay. So 77 equal to 3x plus 2. Now plus 2 is there. Change the side. So 77 minus 2 equal to 3x. Plus 2 is there. And we change the side. So convert into minus. That is 75 equal to 3x. Now 3x means 3 into x, multiple. Side change. So what to do? Division. 75 divided by 3. 3 25 are. So what is the value of x? That is 25 meter. Now find out breadth and length. So first, breadth equal to x. We guess x for that one. X means 25 meter. And length equal to, that is 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. Now put the value of x. That is 2 into 25 plus 2. 25 to the 50 plus 2 equal to 52. Okay, 52 meter. Question number 3. Look, the base of an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles means whose two sides are equal. This type of triangle is there, and these two sides are equal. That is called isosceles. Now, base is given, means this one is base. So 4 divided by 3 centimeter. It's given, and remaining two sides, measurement of two sides are not given, but they are equal because isosceles is there. Suppose that is x. Okay. So suppose measurement of, means length of equal sides equal to x. Okay. And length of base. What is the base? That is 4 divided by 3 centimeter. Now perimeter is given. Perimeter equal to 4 integer 2 upon 15 centimeter. Okay. Now we know that perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle, that is sine of triangle, equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c means sum total of three sides. Okay. Perimeter is given 4 integer 2 upon 15 equal to a means base, that is 4 upon 3 plus b and c. These two sides are, they are equal, and measurement of that one is x and x. Okay. Now mixed fraction is there, convert into improper. 15 4s are 60 plus 2, 62 upon 15 equal to 43 plus x, 2x. Now change the sign of this one. Okay, so 62 upon 15 minus 4 divided by 3 equal to 2x. Here take LCM. 15 and 3. What is LCM? 15 and 3. That is 3 5 za 1 za, 5 1 za 1 za. So LCM equal to 15. Okay. So our LCM is 15. 15 1 za and 3 5 za. So 62 1 za 62 minus 5 4 za 20 equal to 2x. 62 minus 20, that is 42 upon 15 equal to 2x. 2x means 2 into x. Change the side. So 42 upon 15 equal to x. 2 multiple. Side change go divide. Okay. So here 2. 2 21s are. Okay. 21 means 7 into 3 and 15 means 5 into 3. 3 cut. So x equal to 7 upon 5. Okay. So our answer, length of equal sides of triangle equal to 7 upon 5 centimeter. Clear? Okay. One more sum. Fourth one. Okay. Sum of two number is 95 and one of exceed the other by 15. Okay. So suppose first number equal to x. So second number equal to x plus 15. X in means 15 more. Okay, 15. And total of sum of two number. Sum of two numbers equal to 95 is given. Two number means these two numbers. So x plus 15 equal to 95. X plus x is 2x plus 15 equal to 95. So 2x equal to 95 minus 15 plus 15, side chain convert into minus 15. So 2x equal to 80. 2x means 2 into x, side chain. So x equal to 80 divided by 2. 240 is there. So x equal. So value of x equal to 40. Now our first number, that is x. X means 40. And our second number equal to, that is x plus 15. Value of x is 40. So 40 plus 15 equal to 55. So first number is 40 and second one is 55. Now we just solve question number 1 to 5 from exercise 2.2 in your question notebook.